Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 99 French Road, a spectacular designer showcase house and garden ranch, updated to perfection, adjacent to hiking and biking trails to the village of Pittsford. Hi, I'm Rich Testa. Let's take a tour. Welcome your family and friends to this stunning foyer. Open to the hallmark of this special home, this stunning great room, featuring a fireplace, built-in cabinetry, hardwood floors, recessed lighting, and those nature views. Open to the cathedral ceiling dining and Dreams Cook's Kitchen, with custom cabinetries, stainless steel appliances, and more. Open to the spectacular garden sunroom, with higher ceilings, custom moldings, and tile floors. The excitement continues with a great floor plan with one bedroom adjacent to the garden sunroom and the other two spacious bedrooms on the other side of the house for great privacy. The property features a beautiful bathroom and powder room. This is an amazing entertainment-sized patio with nature views. You are at one with nature right out your back door, with the walking, hiking, and biking trails that lead to the village of Pittsford and the Erie Canal. Adjacent to this property at 103 French Road is this amazing building lot, which has a fantastic garden. This separate property can be purchased separately so you can build your Pittsford dream home in this exceptional location. Steps away to Nazareth College, Pittsford Plaza, and the village of Pittsford makes this a unique opportunity. Here we are in Show & Place in the village of Pittsford.
Pittsford is known for its fabulous restaurants, great shops, and specialty boutiques. Situated on the historic Erie Canal, great for a walk, kayak ride, or boat ride.
Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour at 99 French Road in Pittsford. This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here.